Once upon a time, in a quiet village nestled at the foot of a sacred mountain, there stood a bamboo grove that was unlike any other. Each bamboo stalk, tall and slender, seemed to sway in unison with the gentlest breeze. Legend had it that the bamboo grove held a secret power, a power that was bestowed upon it by the spirit of the mountain. In this village, unity was not merely a concept but a way of life. The villagers understood that their strength lay not in individual achievements but in their collective harmony. One day, a wise elder gathered the villagers and shared a tale that had been passed down through generations. "Listen closely, dear villagers," the elder began. "There is a reason the bamboo grove stands so tall and resilient. It is said that each bamboo stalk represents a member of our community. Alone, they are strong, but together, they create a symphony of strength and grace." The elder went on to explain that when the winds of adversity blew, the bamboo grove did not resist. Instead, it swayed and danced, each bamboo stalk supporting the other. It was through this dance of unity that the grove withstood the strongest storms. Intrigued by the story, the villagers decided to conduct an experiment. They gathered in the bamboo grove and, inspired by the wisdom of the elder, held hands forming a circle around the grove. They closed their eyes, focused on their collective breath, and let the spirit of unity flow through them. As they stood there, a remarkable thing happened. The bamboo grove seemed to respond to the energy of the villagers. The air was filled with a tranquil melody, as if the bamboo leaves were whispering a song of unity and strength. The villagers could feel a profound connection with each other and with the grove. From that day forward, the villagers embraced the lesson of the bamboo grove. They faced challenges with a united front, supporting one another in times of need. The village prospered, not just materially, but in the richness of their shared experiences and the depth of their connections. The story of the bamboo grove and the unity it represented became a source of inspiration for generations to come. The villagers learned that true power lay not in isolation or dominance but in the harmonious dance of unity, a dance that resonated through the bamboo grove and echoed in the hearts of the villagers, creating a symphony of strength that endured through time. If you haven't seen this video, click here and watch now. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then subscribe.